Question number 176. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to blood vascular system in Periplaneta. The very first option given is hemolymph is composed of colorless plasma and hemocytes. As it is a correct statement, this cannot be a correct answer. Second option is heart is 13 chambered and lies along mid dorsal line of thorax and abdomen is also a correct statement. So this cannot be a correct answer. Third option is blood from sinuses enter heart through ostia and is pumped posteriorly due to action of 12 alari muscles is an incorrect statement and is a correct answer to our question. Because blood from sinuses they enter heart through ostia and is pumped anteriorly due to the action of 12 pairs of alari muscles and not just 12 alari muscles. The last statement says visceral organs located in the hemocoel are bathed in hemolymph is also a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 177. Consider the following statements with respect to cockroach. The very first statement says potassium urate is the principal nitrogenous waste is a correct statement. Vas deferens opens into seminal vesicle through ejaculatory duct in males. This is an incorrect statement because vas deferens opens into ejaculatory duct through seminal vesicle. This is like vas deferens. Seminal vesicle, ejaculatory duct. The next statement is 3 pairs of chitinous telomeres surround the male gonopore. This is incorrect because it is not 3 pairs but just 3 chitinous telomeres surround the male gonopore. The last statement is both ovaries contain a total of 8 ovarian tubules in females is also incorrect because each ovary, not both, but each ovary contain total 8 ovarian. So in both ovaries there would be total 16 ovarian tubules in females. Choose the option that represents correct statements, and as only statement A is correct, so the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 178. In cockroach, 4 wings are A, called B, and are C. Here, A, B, and C represent. The very first option is prothoracic, B is elytra, and C is opaque. This is incorrect because 4 wings are mesothoracic and not prothoracic. The second option is 4 wings are mesothoracic. Yes, they are also known as tegmina. Yes, and they are opaque. Yes, so this is the correct answer. Third option is they are mesothoracic. Yes, also known as elytra, but they are not transparent. And the fourth option is they are metathoracic. No, because hind wings are metathoracic. They are known as tegmina. Yes, but they are not transparent. They are opaque. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question, question number 179. The skeleton in porifers can be made up of all the following except. The very first option is calcareous spicules, second option is siliceous spicules, third option is chitinous spicules, and fourth option is pungent fibers. And as the skeleton in porifers can be made up of calcareous spicules, siliceous spicules, and pungent fibers, so these cannot be the correct answer. And the correct answer to this question is chitinous spicules. Chitinous exoskeleton is found in arthropods, but chitinous spicules are not present in the skeleton of porifers. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's proceed to the next question, that is question number 180. Which of the following serves as the principal center related to vision in cockroach? The very first option is supraesophageal ganglia. Third option is subesophageal ganglia. Third option is metathoracic ganglia, and fourth option is abdominal ganglia. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, supraesophageal ganglia. Because in head region, the brain is represented by supraesophageal ganglia. It represents brain. and it supplies nerves to antennae and compound eyes. The nervous system of cockroach consists of a series of fused segmentally arranged ganglia, 3 in thorax and 6 in abdomen. Subesophageal ganglia is an incorrect option because it lies below esophagus. It gives out motor nerves to the major mouth parts in cockroach. And metathoracic ganglia and abdominal ganglia are incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.